Hi, I'm Ed, and today I'm going to teach you the number one tip for learning Fusion 360. In this short video, I'm going to share the number one tip for developing your understanding of Fusion 360 and how designers use it to work. If you don't have Fusion 360 yet, head to this link and hit the Get Started button. Add your details, download, and install it. Then head to this link and search for Lego. Find a 4x2 block like this one, which is designed by Lim V. An, and download it. Next, upload it into the data panel and open it. Now here's the fun bit. Have a look down at the bottom of the screen. This is called the timeline, and it contains the whole design history of how the part was made. If you press the play button to the left of the timeline, you'll see it instantly starts playing through each step in the design process. You can also use the previous step button to go through step by step. The Move to Beginning button jumps you to the beginning. The Next button sends you to the next step, and the Move to End button sends you to the end. You can also simply drag the slider to roll back the design. You can also right-click on a timeline feature and edit that feature so you can see the exact detail of how it was done. It'll even give you a nice description of the tool if you keep your mouse still. And of course, you can go in and try editing it to see yourself what happens.